Hello, I'm Kristen Hartway from the Financial Aid Office at the College at Brockport. Let me start by congratulating you on your acceptance to Brockport. I'm here today to give you general information on what to expect at this point in regards to your financial aid. The Financial Aid Office is located at the first floor of the Rakoff building. Our hours are Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Beginning the end of May, our summer hours are Monday through Thursday, 8 until 4, and Friday, 8 until noon. We take morning appointments, and afternoons we have walk-in hours. Some of the services we offer in the Financial Aid Office are meeting and advising parents and students on their financial aid information, assisting with the FAFSA and the TAP application, as well as helping students with any necessary forms that they may be required to complete. At this point, hopefully you have filed your FAFSA. If not, one of the first steps, you will want to create a PIN number for both the student and the parent. Your PIN is your Federal Financial Aid Identification Number. Your PIN is very important because you will be using your PIN as your signature for your FAFSA, as well as completing your loan entrance counseling, signing your master promissory note, as well as being able to access your federal loan history through the NSLDS website. Once we have received your FAFSA, you will be provided, once you have completed your, or creating your PIN, you will want to complete your FAFSA. Your FAFSA is the free application for federal student financial aid. This is a free application. You do not need to pay to file your FAFSA. You will need to complete a new FAFSA every year. We recommend when filing your FAFSA using the IRS data retrieval tool, which will upload your 2013 federal tax information and pre-fill some of the tax information required on your FAFSA. You will also need to complete your TAP application. If you have not already completed your TAP application, you can do so by going to the tapweb.org website and completing this. This will determine if you are eligible for any state funding. Once you have completed your FAFSA and your TAP application, this is only the beginning of the financial aid process. Based on the information you provided on your FAFSA, you may need to provide additional documentation to the financial aid office, such as tax returns or W-2s, as well as other information that we may request. Once we have received your FAFSA, you will be provided with either an estimated award letter or an actual award letter. If you receive an estimated award letter, there is additional documentation that you will need to provide to the financial aid office before you can accept your aid package. If you have received an actual award letter, you can log into your web banner and accept your financial aid package at any time. If you have accepted any loans, you will be required to complete an entrance counseling and a master promissory note before your loans will be dispersed to the college. Please be aware that if you did not accept your financial aid package, starting May 1st, we will be sending notification that your aid package will be canceled. If your aid package is canceled, we may not be able to reinstate some of the aid that was initially offered. When comparing financial aid packages, there are a few things that you want to keep in mind. Some of the questions that you may want to consider are, What are all costs included in the published cost of attendance? Has my need been fully met? Can any scholarships I received be renewed year to year? What are the terms or the requirements for any scholarship renewal? How much of the offer aid is in the form of loans? What are the loan repayment terms? Do the loans accrue interest, or do I have to begin repayment while in school? If you are comparing financial aid packages, in your award packet, we have provided you with Brockport's financial aid comparison worksheet. You can use this to help compare your financial aid offers. This form is also available on our Brockport.edu financial aid website under the Forms Center. The SUNY Award Letter is also available for students to view through their web banner to help you compare SUNY school financial aid packages. Please be aware that this award letter may not provide all of the forms of financial aid that you may be eligible to receive. We do realize that there are special circumstances that do occur, such as reduction or loss of income, unusual expenses, divorce, separation, or death of a spouse. If you feel that there are special circumstances, you can write a letter explaining your situation and provide it to the financial aid office. If we can take it into consideration, we will send you the appeal form, and this will provide any of the required documentation that you will need to provide to us with that appeal form. If you have accepted any federal staffer loans, please be aware, like I said earlier, beginning in July, you will start receiving notification that you will need to complete an entrance counseling as well as your master promissory note. If you were offered and have accepted any Perkins loan, please be aware that you will also need to electronically complete your master promissory note and your entrance counseling. Starting in July, you will receive notification through your web banner of your bill. If you have accepted any of your aid, this will also show on your bill. Any TAP that you may have been offered possibly will show as a credit on your account, depending on if New York State has passed the budget. And please be aware, if there are any refunds, they will be mailed to the student or directly deposited into the student's bank account beginning 5 days prior to the first day of classes. If you still need additional funding to help cover your balance, there are payment plan options handled through the Office of Student Accounts. Parents can also, beginning in June, start applying for a PLUS loan. They can apply for this online through studentloans.gov. There are also alternative loan options for students. They can also research these alternative loan options through a bank or an outside lender. Or you can use any combination of the above to help cover your outstanding balance. Please be aware that there are scholarships that are available through the Brockport.edu /scholarships website. If you receive any scholarship, you want to make sure what the terms of the scholarship are. If it is a merit-based scholarship, or do you need to live on campus to keep receiving that scholarship, or do you need to reapply for that scholarship any year? every year. You can also come to our Star Center located in the financial aid office to help research these scholarships online. Now this brings us to the end of our session. If you have any questions, this is our contact information. The next presentation will be Career Services and Study Abroad. This will be starting at 3 o'clock. We also have an online chat available to students starting at, that will be available until 8 o'clock. If you do have any questions, please log on to that and we'll be more than happy to help you with any of those questions. And my best wishes to you for the upcoming year. We do have some questions that I will go through and answer. Or if there's anything else, like I said, please feel free to go to our online chat. Thanks so much.